What's up everybody, my name is Gbari, aka GQ, and welcome to Dance with VS Versastyle's online street dance tutorials. Today, we're going to do some social dance work and we're going to learn the Cat Daddy. Let's get into it. So, the Cat Daddy. Before we get into the movement, let's break it down with a little bit of history and context. So the Cat Daddy is originally from Dallas, Texas, home of the D-Town Boogie. But while it was there in Texas, it was named something else. It was called the Ricky Bobby, coming from the movie Talladega Nights, where the main character's name is Ricky Bobby. It was later popularized by a group called The Rejects that made a song called the Cat Daddy and brought the Cat Daddy into the jerkin movement in the jerkin era. So, breaking down some of the movement, the Cat Daddy starts off with a rock. If you do not know what the rock is and you need a little bit more time to get familiar with it, we have a video breaking down the rock. Make sure to check that out. So the rock, we're gonna start with the rock forward. Rock forward, rock forward, rock forward, rock forward. We're gonna take that and take it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, the rock is the bass groove of our dance. From here, we're gonna add our arms. Our arms are gonna come up and then take it down. Up and down, and they're crossing the body like you're putting on a seatbelt. Ha, ha, ha. And you're including that rock as you're doing it. Rock, rock, rock. Yeah, as you put on that seatbelt from side to side. Those are the first 2 steps. After that, we're going to roll our arms in a circle. Circles near our sides. Yeah? In the song, The Cat Daddy, they say, move your arms like your wheelchair is starting. So we are moving our arms in a circular motion. Yeah? So we're going 1, 2, and then circle, circle. As we do our first 2 rocks, we're rocking to the side, and then we rock twice to the front, to the front, to the front as our arms circle. Let's put those together. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. Yeah? Let's check that to the back and follow me. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. One more time to the front, and then we'll be finished. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. And that is the Cat Daddy. All right, now we're gonna try with some music. I'm gonna do it facing the camera for you for an A count. We're gonna take it and I'm gonna face the back for you for an A count. We're gonna come back, looking to the front to the camera, and then I'm gonna freestyle adding some nice cool variations for you using the Cat Daddy. Let's do it. All right, here we go. Cat Daddy. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take it to the back. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for dancing with me. A few reminders about the Cat Daddy. Make sure you have a strong rock going on. That is the most important part of it. That is the foundation of that groove. And make sure you have fun with it, yeah? So, with that being said, if you're looking to learn some more and to follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at VersastyleLA. And if you're looking to connect with me, you can follow me on Instagram as well at Gbari Denzel. That is Gbari Denzel. See you next time.